Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to trim a video in TikTok. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So for you to be able to do this, just log in onto your TikTok account and launch the app. Click onto the plus icon, and then to upload a photo, just click onto upload and choose the video that you want to go ahead and add. So you'll just need to go ahead and click onto the circle onto the upper part if you prefer to have a lot, and just click onto next right after. So you'll get redirected onto the editing page. Here onto the right side, there should be options for you to edit it. So you'll just need to go ahead and click onto the edit icon, which is this one, and then you'll get redirected onto the editing page for this. So once you're in, you'll just have to click onto the video again. And for you to be able to trim this, you're just gonna go ahead and drag it like this. You could do the same thing onto the opposite side. And once you're already satisfied, just click onto save. And that's just basically it onto how to trim a video in TikTok. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.